हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 70। सो आज हमारी 70th क्लास है। इससे पहले की सारी क्लासेस आपको प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएंगी। सारी क्लासेस में आपको मैंने एक एक डिक्टेशन लिखवा रखा है। स्टार्टिंग की 15-20 क्लासेस में हमने डेली 2 डिक्टेशंस लिखे थे। तो अगर अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं करी है, क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करी है, तो इन सारी क्लासेस को अटेंड कर दीजिए। एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। आज हम लोग एक लीगल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। It will be seen that the purpose for which an adaptation may be made under that article is widely expressed. Stop. It may be made for the purpose of removing any difficulties. Stop. The particularization of one class of difficulties which follows is illustrative and cannot have the effect of circumscribing the scope of the preceding general words. Stop. It has been urged, however, that the condition precedent to the exercise of powers is the existence of difficulties to be removed, that is to say, difficulties actually experienced in the working of the Constitution whose removal would be necessary for carrying on the government, such as, for instance, the difficulties connected with the transitional period. Stop. But the argument proceeds. Constitutional amendments cannot be said to be necessary during that period. Para. Besides, amendment of the constitution is a very serious thing, and hence, by providing that both houses must deliberate and agree to the amendment proposed and pass the bill by a special majority, the constitution has purposely placed difficulties in the way of amending its provisions. Stop. It would be fantastic to suppose that after deliberately creating those difficulties, it has empowered the president to remove them by a stroke of his pen. Stop. We see no force in this line of argument. Stop. It is true enough to say that difficulties must exist before they can be removed by adaptation, but they can exist before an occasion for their removal actually arises. Para. As already stated, difficulties are bound to arise in applying provisions which by their terms are applicable to a parliament of two houses. Stop. Those difficulties arising as they do out of the inappropriateness of the language of those provisions as applied to the provisional parliament have to be removed by modifying that language to fit in with the situation. Stop. There is nothing in that article to suggest that the president should wait before adopting a particular article till an occasion actually arose for the provisional parliament to exercise the power conferred by that article. Para. Nor is there any question here of the president removing by his adaptation any of the difficulties which the constitution has deliberately placed in the way of its amendment. Stop. The adaptation leaves the requirement of a special majority untouched. Stop. The passing of an amendment bill by both houses is no more a special requirement of such a bill than it is of any ordinary law made by Parliament. Stop. We are therefore of the opinion that the adaptation by the President was well within the powers conferred on him and is valid and constitutional. Para. A more plausible argument was advanced in support of the contention that the Amendment Act, insofar as it purports to take away or abridge any of the fundamental rights, falls within the prohibition which provides that the state shall not make any law which takes away or abridges the rights conferred by this part, and any law made in contravention of this clause shall, to the extent of the contravention, be void. Stop. It was the deliberate intention of the farmers of the Constitution who realized the sanctity of the fundamental rights conferred by Part 3 to make them immune from interference not only by ordinary laws passed by the legislatures in the country but also from constitutional amendments. Stop. It is not uncommon to find in written constitutions a declaration that certain fundamental rights conferred on the people should be eternal and inviolate. Stop. ये एक डिक्टेशन हमने लीगल मैटर पे लिखा है जिसमें स्पीड जो है वो फ्लक्चुएशंस के साथ में थी। स्टार्टिंग से जो एंड तक गया है वो मैटर 105 से लेकर 120 के बीच में फ्लक्चुएट करके मैंने आपको लिखवाया है। अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब कर सकते हैं। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन का जो फीचर है वो सॉफ्टवेयर पे अपलोड कर चुका हूँ मैं। स्टेनो आर्मी की वेबसाइट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल रहा है, वहाँ से आप उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। इसके अलावा मैं आपको डेली 2 मैटर्स लिखवा रहा हूँ दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट एसपीए के लिए, तो अगर आपको वो ज्वाइन करना है तो आप उसको भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। यूट्यूब पर मैं आपको वीकली 2 क्लासेस दे रहा हूँ और बाकी जो है डेली 2 क्लासेस वहाँ पर अप्लाई होती है। साथ ही में हम कुछ टाइम बाद जब आपका पीए का एग्ज़ाम हो जाएगा और इसकी डेट आ जाएगी उसके बाद डेली हम मॉक टेस्ट भी करेंगे जिससे आपकी प्रिपरेशन का आपको एक आइडिया लग सके कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन किस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है। आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड करते हैं। आपको कोई भी डाउट है या क्वेरी है तो कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हो। इसके अलावा पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर भी मैसेज कर सकते हो। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।